There.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, well, this weekend, I'm going to be having the kids. We're all going to be in the camper van, aren't we?
This is not a camper van, it's a man.
Currently at Sainsbury's, just need to drop some rubbish off. I just picked up some bits for cooking breakfast. I'm going to make an omelette for breakfast. Just having a coffee.
And the cafe.
Fed the dog, fed the ferrets.
Very ducks.
And yeah, kids are watching this bit of YouTube whilst I make breakfast. Not got around to it yet though, because
Cow and daddy.
Oh, down.
Move!
He's just been really ratty today.
Yeah.
You
No,
screaming and shouting. Pearl's refusing to put her clothes on.
Just escape, just get out of
Oh yeah. And you.
And Mummy, do you naughty? Daddy, be naughty.
And she's got a black eye. How did you get a black eye?
Because we banged nice.
You banged head with Lige.
Yeah. On the bouncy castle.
Was it?
Yesterday.
Is it on the bouncy castle?
Yeah.
Is it on the bouncy castle? Yeah.
Yeah. Bobby's bouncy castle. One.
It's raining. Ezra's just done a poo in the Portaloo for the first time. Aren't you?
Yeah.
He's not been wearing nappies now for a few days, his mum said, so she said make sure you keep it up, and he's just done a poo. And he's not put his shorts on yet, and his pants are up his bum. Your pants up your bum? Alright, that's the end result. Dad decided to have some cheese to it. What? You want something else to eat? But you didn't eat your dinner that I made you.
This is fried dough.
Okay, we decided to, well, I've decided to come to a campsite. It's only cost me £10 for the night. Just watching some
Oyster mushrooms. These grow in New Zealand.
Josh James
It's probably because I'm so
on
hungry.
YouTube.
It's extra tasty, man. I'm ravenous. Some more of this delicious soup stuff.
Alright, if anyone is wondering how the hell do I get 3 kids and myself in this fixed bed,
Move from Haas.
Elijah stays down this end near the doors.
Contacted me.
Usually Ezra lays next to him, and then Pearl sleeps across the bottom, and then I sleep on an angle through the middle of them all,
Milk.
which is how I sleep anyway, because I need the length for me to fit in
Blueberries,
comfortably.
oranges, bananas.
Alright, good night. Okay, so we are going to start to put the awning up. Tent. It's got an awning. Drive-away awning. So yeah, like I said, I've not put it up yet. I don't even know if it's all there. It cost me 150 quid. I think it was like 230, 250 pound awning. But I brought it second hand. The guy that had it said he's only used it once. Alright, I don't know which end of this tent all in. It's on the van. So
No, you're not.
I need to look on the internet again. I'm not happy.
What?
Some scum a scent showed me a dud. They've obviously cut all this bit off. And the ground piece, that's been cut as well.
Dad.
Let's ruin that anyway.
Can we do the timber box? No.
I felt like packing it away, but I've managed to, what I've done, I've opened the back door, put some guidelines over the top of the van, try and create a bit of a shelter, canopy. Create a canopy here. With those, kids have got the sofa, turn on the sofa and they're watching Andrew Reynolds hunting. Are you watching Andrew Reynolds hunting?
Yeah.
What are you watching?
Yeah.
What is this? Ah, some kids undoing figurines, undoing toys. And I put some.
It's a jail. Wait, who is that?
I'm just gonna make some porridge.
Another trap. Oh, a trap that falls.
Oh, Helen! This is mine.
Oh, the weather's looking a lot better now, so we've had rain. Started off really nice this morning and we had a bit of rain. And now we're just gonna try and get the kids ready. I'm gonna go over a little walk around the campsite. And we've seen a tree swing on the way in, so the kids want to go on that.
I'll leave it on. Push me. Push me. There's another thing right there.
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Keep your feet up, keep your feet up.
What?
Keep your feet up.
Shut. Shut!
Wait, come on away, Pearl.
On the push him. My turn. There's my.
Oh, why have they got collars around the neck, I wonder? Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. What? Daddy kiss Bud? Ah!
That push me even more. Where?
No, Daddy kiss Pearl. Kiss Bud. Daddy kiss Pearl. Daddy kiss Pearl. Daddy kiss Bud. Pearl kiss Bud. Oh, Pearl kiss Daddy. Pearl kiss Daddy. Pearl kiss Daddy. I just headed to Chatsworth Country House. And we're going to explore. We explore the country gardens.
Daddy, I just run around in there.
Yeah, let's go and run around.
In there.
And cause havoc.
In there.
Yeah, in there.
What about what?
We'll take him as well. Spin it the other way. No, the other way. I don't think it matters actually. Go on.
It won't run. No.
Please turn me till the message plays.
Let me do it.
Ralph Lord followed in his father's footsteps to storing pheasants and other game shot on this estate. Today, we hope that you enjoy the insights which the Game Larder now offers you into the stories and features of the Chatsworth estate, as well as how we manage and look after.
I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I'm on the way,
Oh, you're not allowed in there.
I think that was a dog food.
Alright, we're going to have a little walk down to the river. Okay, we've just come to the playground and farmyard at Chatsworth, and we're going to have a look around. Where are we going here, Elijah?
Oh, pigs.
Oh, here's a little cute one. Hello. Hey, Elijah, Ezra, come here. Look at this little one. Come on, pal.
Let's watch. Hey. It's a room full down. You don't die.
Good girl. Keep going.
I made it up here.
Go.
Do you like it? Where?
On that branch, like, he's got a cup.
Where? Nah, I want you to pick me up. I want you to pick me up. Let's go down.
Did you enjoy it, Pearl? Pearl?
Yeah.
You did enjoy it? Is it good? Yeah, it's actually pretty decent, but it costs £7 an adult. I think it was £7 a kid over the age of 3 as well. It cost me 14 quid for an adult and a kid, so quite expensive, but decent park that. Marks. On your marks. Get set. Go. Come on, Ezra. Faster. Don't push him. Quick. Come on, Ezra. Come on, Ez. Go on, Izzy. Well done, Ezra. You got to touch my hand. Got to give me a high five. Yeah. Back of the van. Now we're going to we'll get some chips. Chips and battered sausage. Does that sound good?
I don't want just battered sausage.
What do you want?
I just want chippies.
Okay. Pearl, what do you want? Burger?
Chippies with salt
Let's go
on.
get some chips. It's a lovely view on the way out of Chatsworth Country Estate. There it is in the background. Traffic, causing red traffic, driving too slow.